Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to archive posts on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to archive a post on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on that and all of your posts on Instagram will be over here. You can see guys your reels and over your drafts. Also you can see all of your posts over here. Now in order to archive a post, tap on the post which you want to archive and you can see it will open like this, and there is a three-dotted icon available for us at the top right corner of each of these posts. You can see guys a three-dotted icon at the top right corner of each of that post. Tap on that three-dotted icon and you will be able to find the archive button over here. Tap on that archive button and that post will be archived on your Instagram account and won't be able on your profile. And guys, this is how to archive post on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.